I'm your fashion guide, and today we're taking a peek into the crystal ball. I'm going to show you what's coming into fashion in fall 2025 and what's going out. Are you ready to discover the trends that will define the season? Let's dive in. Trend No. 1. Pirate boots. Bold, buckled, dramatic thigh-high styles. They're a nod to the swashbuckling spirit of adventure. Whether you're sailing the high seas or strolling city streets, these boots make a statement. Trend No. 2. Hourglass silhouettes. Sculpted curves and cinched waists. Think classic Hollywood glamour, but make it modern. These looks are all about celebrating your shape. Trend 3. Gothic romanticism. Black lace, corsets, velvet moods. It's the perfect blend of dark and dreamy. This trend is all about embracing your inner romantic with a twist of the unexpected. Trend for faux fur coats. Oversized, eco-chic, cozy. These faux fur coats are not only ethical but also incredibly stylish. Trend 5. Vibrant neons, electric pinks, blues, and oranges. Ready to make a statement? These bold colors are anything but subtle. Mix and match to create eye-catching looks that turn heads wherever you go. Trend 6. Plaid and sheer layers. Mix tartan with see-through textures. This trend is all about creating visual interest through playful layering. Experiment with different patterns and textures to achieve a look that's uniquely you. Trend 7. Boho boots. Fringe, leather, edgy femininity. These boots combine the laid-back vibes of boho style with the cool edge of motorcycle chic. Trend 8. Quiet luxury. Minimalist tailoring. Clean silhouettes. Sometimes less is more. This trend is for those who appreciate understated elegance and timeless pieces that never go out of style. So, which trend will you be embracing this fall? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to stay updated with all the latest fashion tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.